Hey everyone! Welcome back to Do's English, your happy place for learning real, everyday English. I'm Jessica.
And I'm James. We're so happy you're here. Today's topic is talking about daily life in English. This is a great topic because we talk about daily life all the time, with friends, at work, in school, everywhere.
Yes, and if you're learning English, daily life vocabulary is super important. Don't worry, we'll speak slowly, clearly, and repeat key phrases so you can learn easily.
Before we start, if you like this podcast, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It really helps our channel grow, and it also means you never miss a lesson.
All right, ready to practice real English conversation?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's start with the morning. Most conversations start with simple questions like, "What do you do in the morning?" Or, "What is your morning routine?" Repeat after me. What do you do in the morning?
What do you do in the morning? Our first phrase is, I wake up. This means you open your eyes and stop sleeping. Repeat. I wake up.
I wake up.
Example. I wake up at 6:30. I wake up early.
Next phrase is, I get up. Wake up means open your eyes. Get up means leave the bed. Example. I wake up at 7, but I get up at 7:10.
Yeah, I think many people do that. Repeat. I get up.
I get up. Next, I brush my teeth. Very common, super useful. Example. I brush my teeth after breakfast. I brush my teeth every morning. Repeat. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
Next phrase is, I take a shower. Example. I take a shower in the morning. I take a quick shower. Repeat. I take a shower. I take a shower.
Okay, now let's practice a short conversation using these phrases. First, listen.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30. And you?
I wake up at 7. Then I get up and brush my teeth.
Nice. I take a shower after I wake up.
Now let's repeat it slowly together. What time do you wake up?
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7. Then I get up and brush my teeth.
Nice. I take a shower after I wake up. Great. Now let's talk about breakfast, the first meal of the day. Repeat these phrases.
I have breakfast. Examples. I have breakfast at 8. I usually have breakfast at home. Repeat. I have breakfast.
Next phrase is, I make coffee. Repeat. I make coffee. I make coffee. Example. I make coffee every morning.
Phrase. I eat. This is a useful pattern. I eat plus food. Examples. I eat bread. I eat eggs. I eat fruit. I eat a banana. Repeat after us. I eat breakfast. I eat eggs. I eat a banana.
I eat breakfast. I eat eggs. I eat a banana. Now listen to another short conversation. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and eggs. And you?
I eat fruit and yogurt. I also drink coffee.
Now repeat slowly.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and eggs. And you?
I eat fruit and yogurt. I also drink coffee.
Nice work. You're doing amazing. You just practiced real phrases English speakers use every day.
Let's quickly review today's key phrases. I wake up. I get up. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I have breakfast. I eat. I make coffee.
Great job. Keep repeating them until they feel easy.
Before we go, here's our community question. What do you eat for breakfast? Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers.
And remember, small practice every day helps you improve fast. So stay relaxed, listen carefully, and repeat when we ask.
Okay, now let's talk about the afternoon. We often use simple questions like, what do you do in the afternoon? Do you work or study? Repeat after me. What do you do in the afternoon?
What do you do in the afternoon? A very common phrase is, I go to work, or I go to school. Repeat. I go to work. I go to school. Examples. I go to work at 9. I go to school by bus.
Next phrases. I work. I study. Simple and useful. Example. I work in an office. I study English every day. Repeat. I work. I study.
Now, let's talk about lunch. I have lunch. Examples. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I have lunch with coworkers. I have a sandwich for lunch. Repeat. I have lunch.
Listen first. What do you do in the afternoon?
I go to work. I work until 5. What about you?
I study English and I have lunch at 1 p.m.
Now, repeat slowly.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I go to work. I work until 5. What about you? I study English and I have lunch at 1 p.m.
Now let's move to the evening. Evening vocabulary is very useful for daily conversation.
After work or school, we say, I go home. Example, I go home at 6. I go home by train. Repeat, I go home.
Next phrase. I relax. Example, I relax on the sofa. I relax and watch TV. Repeat, I relax.
Very common expressions. I watch TV. I watch videos. Repeat, I watch TV. I watch videos. Example, I watch YouTube after dinner. I watch a movie.
Next phrase. I eat dinner or I have dinner. Both are okay. Example, I have dinner at 8. I eat dinner with my family. Repeat, I have dinner.
Okay, listen first. What do you do in the evening?
I go home, I relax, and I watch a movie. I have dinner at 8. And you?
I eat dinner, and then I watch YouTube videos.
Now repeat slowly.
What do you do in the evening?
I go home, I relax, and I watch a movie. I have dinner at 8. And you?
I eat dinner, and then I watch YouTube videos.
Let's finish with nighttime vocabulary.
Useful phrase, I get ready for bed. Repeat, I get ready for bed.
These are common endings. I go to bed. I go to sleep. Example, I go to bed at 11. I go to sleep quickly. Repeat, I go to bed. I go to sleep.
Now listen to a short, full-day conversation.
What is your daily routine?
I wake up at 7. I go to work. I have lunch at 1. In the evening, I relax and watch TV. I go to bed at 11.
What is your daily routine?
I wake up at 7. I go to work. I have lunch at 1. In the evening, I relax and watch TV. I go to bed at 11.
Amazing job today. You practiced morning, afternoon, and evening phrases. That's real, useful English.
Let's review a few key sentences. I go to work. I study. I have lunch. I go home. I relax. I watch TV. I go to bed.
You're improving. Keep going.
Thank you for listening and practicing with us today. See you next time on Do's English.
Bye.